So the demand for indoor security cameras has increased so much that the battle between them continues to rage on. And today with me, I have two popular indoor security cameras. The first one is the Qubo Smart Cam 360 3 megapixel and the CP Plus E35Q. So both of these cameras come under the price bracket of 2500 rupees. So which one of these two security cameras is better than the other? Well, let's find out. There are a host of features which both cameras kind of equally share, this being live monitoring feature, live recording feature, giving you 360-degree rotation, that's pan, tilt and even zoom, gives you a two-way talkability, gives you both SD card support and a cloud storage, on which we are going to talk a bit more later in the video. Both get an intruder alarm, both get a privacy mode and even support for Alexa and Google Home. So straight up looking at the features, you might feel both cameras are practically the same, but there are some key details, some key minute differences which actually count in the long-term usage of the security cameras. In terms of the build, the Qubo Smart Cam gets a more glossier finish, whereas the CP Plus gets a matte finish body. When you actually hold it in your hand, the Qubo feels like it's a more durable product, whereas the CP Plus doesn't feel as durable when you hold and feel the product in your hand. The Qubo Smart Cam gets a 3 megapixel camera shooting at 1296p resolution, whereas the CP Plus also does get a 3 megapixel camera. But as you can notice, the Qubo Smart Cam has a more better exposure compensation level, giving you more bright and more well lit areas even in dark conditions. Whereas in the CP Plus, the dark areas are more dark and the bright areas are more brighter. You can see that the light source at the back is well lit, whereas the person sitting in front of the light source looks a bit more darker. Whereas in the Qubo, both areas get a proper exposure, giving you proper details of the face of the person. So this is kind of more helpful in terms of recognizing people, recognizing facial features, recognizing actions. So this tends to give off a more practical effect. Now Qubo manages to give out sharper images and better richness to images because of the technology behind it. Now this is due to the combination of two technologies, the advanced image signal processing and the Qubo night pulse vision tech. Now ISP is something like an Instagram filter which is basically working 24/7. It takes the raw snapshots from the camera and processes it, removes the grain and gives you a fine picture quality every time you see it on the screen. Along with the night pulse vision tech, which is a proprietary technique used by Qubo in order to enhance the night vision, enhance the low light visibility and give you a more balanced video feed even in dark conditions. Now most security cameras these days offer a motion detection and an AI person detection. Now this has become a very mandatory affair. This has become a very needed feature in most cameras because that's where the difference lies, because you need to identify in front of the camera who passed, or there might be some motion within the room, and that's where both the Qubo Smart Cam and the CP Plus do tend to get those similar features. The Qubo Smart Cam does offer you an AI powered person and motion detection, and more than that, if you have an ecosystem of Qubo cameras, all these cameras talk to each other and give you a consolidated view of the movement of the person or any other motion that it might have detected. So in these terms, the Qubo Smart Cam does tend to offer you a better value considering the kind of features it is offering in terms of AI, person and motion detection. Talking about the overall app interface and app usage, the Qubo Smart Cam gets a proprietary Made in India app. Now this app does get regular updates as per growing Indian needs. It's intuitive, fast and has multiple controls for stronger and a smarter experience. The CP Plus supports a Easy Cam app and does tend to lack a brand-owned unified experience over the app. Now coming to data security, so since these cameras, these indoor cameras are placed maybe inside your home, your office, it becomes crucial to protect your data. It becomes crucial that the data or the video feed is not misused by anybody else. On April 9, 2025, the government released essential requirements for cybersecurity devices, and basically all these appliances, all these gadgets should comply to these requirements, should comply to these particular protocols in order to keep your data safe and secure. Now this means that the CCTV cameras should meet basic safety and quality standards required by the government before it can be sold or used. So if you look at the specifics of the data security aspect, I think the Qubo Smart Cam has a definite advantage, because the Qubo Smart Cam offers you a full data security with end-to-end encryption, and it also gets an encrypted chip, which means your data is protected right at the source with a built-in encrypted chip inside the camera. The Qubo Smart Cam also gets an encrypted transmission, so whenever the data transfers from the camera to the cloud, the data remains encrypted all the way. The footage is securely stored on encrypted cloud servers hosted in India. The CP Plus doesn't offer any data encryption, means that the data can be misused if somebody is intending to do it. The Qubo Smart Cam supports memory cards up to 1 TB. The CP Plus E35Q supports memory cards only up to 256 GB. Whereas the Qubo Smart Cam can work without the SD card, the CP Plus mandatorily requires an SD card inside. Now the most critical point is that if you do factor in the storage cost, Qubo is a no-brainer choice that comes out. Now this is because you can directly back up footage on the cloud without the SD card required, and you can use a single plan for multiple devices. The CP Plus camera on the other hand doesn't let you back up footage directly on the cloud without the SD card, and SD card is mandatory for any form of storage. Even the cloud plans of CP Plus need to be purchased for each device, and they are pretty expensive. So a new cloud-based plan is being launched by Qubo called as the AI Guard. Now this unlocks cloud-based recording so your data stays end-to-end encrypted and is available anytime. Now this basically provides a Z plus security for your home and for your data. So in terms of Qubo Smart Cam, you get the highest number of features at a comparatively lower cost. And that's because Qubo's plan starts at 149 rupees only, and CP Plus offers a more expensive plan compared to this. So that being said, both the cameras do come at a similar price range, and quite a many other brands also have indoor security cameras which come at a very similar price range. But in the end, what decides one camera is better than the other are the minute details, are the specific details and the specific features which some of the other cameras might definitely lack. And in those terms, I think the Qubo Smart Cam 363 MP offers a more value for money features. It gets the brand backing of Qubo, it offers you a more professional support, it offers you a very simple and easy to understand app experience, gets you the cloud support features and AI based features including intruder alarm, call alerts and many other such features, which definitely make it worth considering over the other security cameras that are available out there. So considering all of these aspects, I think the Qubo Smart Cam 363 MP is a smart choice, is a definite blind choice, because this camera not just records videos, this keeps you and your family totally safe. And if you're interested in grabbing this indoor security camera for yourself, the purchase link is given right down below in the description. Go ahead, grab it right now before somebody else does. If you do have any doubts or queries regarding this camera, just write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And if this video has helped you out in one or the other way, go ahead, hit that subscribe button of Gizmobeep right now, smash that like button and share this video with all your friends who want the best indoor security camera experience. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.